In the front of the hotel, there's a fountain. Well, maybe it's a planter now, for a birch tree that's taken root. And as we go up these steps, we enter the main foyer, the lobby, and there's a staircase leading nowhere. There's birch trees growing everywhere in this place. It sort of mimics the markings in the concrete, the white mold, and a fireplace to keep things nice and cozy. I'm loving the results of this scan. 511 images is all it took to reconstruct this environment into 3D space. I'm very happy with the results.